If you've seen those AI baby videos dancing on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Facebook, and wondered, huh, how are people making this? Stay till the end of this video because I will show you exactly how to create a dancing baby AI video. Even if you have no editing skills, no animation experience, and just your phone or laptop. Anyone. Dancing baby videos go viral for 3 reasons. Number 1, babies trigger emotion instantly. Number 2, dancing triggers joy and replay. Number 3, AI makes it look unreal. So people stop scrolling. That combination is why some channels get millions of views from one short video. Now let's get into how you can create yours. Let's go. Step number 1, you are going to create the baby image first and foremost. So first, you need a realistic baby image. You can do this using ChatGPT for image generation or any other AI image generator you prefer. You can use Google Gemini. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use ChatGPT. So what are you supposed to generate when using any AI image generator? You can generate a cute baby, clear face, good lighting, front-facing, neutral background. Your prompt can look like a realistic, or let's say, generate a realistic baby, smiling, full body visible, studio lighting, high detail, photorealistic. And don't forget to add 16:9 aspect ratio if you are using ChatGPT. If you are using Google Whisk, set your dimension on the Google Whisk setting. Let it be on 16:9 aspect ratio if you want to use it for YouTube. But if you are using it for TikTok, Facebook Reel, or Instagram, let it be 9:16 aspect ratio. So you get the difference now. So once the image is generated, you simply download it. This baby is what we will make dance. It is going to dance for you now. Do you get that? Before we continue, if you are a fan or student of Alpha Chemistry, maybe you come from Facebook or you come from Instagram or TikTok, and you are really so serious about AI, you really want to use AI to monetize this year to escape poverty, I have a special free package for you if you want it. In fact, let me first tell you what the package is. It is a special document that contains a list of different ways you can monetize AI. You see this AI automation, you can use it to escape poverty if you know what you are doing. So I've put together a master list of different ways you can monetize AI. If you want it, just simply go to the comment section, type monetize me, then watch this video till the end. Once you are done watching, go to the description section of this video, click the link there to join my WhatsApp community. That is where you will find the master list. Do you understand? Alright, let's move on. Step number 2, choose a dance video. This is where some people get lost totally. You need a dance motion reference in most cases. Although some AI platforms, AI applications, they already have their own inbuilt dance reference that you can just choose from. Do you get that? But if there's a particular dance you find, maybe on TikTok, you choose it. So what do? You can open TikTok, maybe YouTube Shorts, maybe Instagram Reels. Search for trending baby dance, or simple body movement dance, or popular music dance. Anything. Download the video or you can record it. It's as simple as that. So this video will control how the baby moves. You get the trick now? Now we've downloaded it. Let's move to the next step. Turn the baby into a dancing AI. If you pay attention, it is not difficult. But this is where the magic comes in. Use an AI motion or image to video tool that allows image upload, motion or post transfer, dance animation. Do you get that? So for the purpose of this tutorial, the AI tool we are going to be using is called Kling AI. If you can hear me clearly, type Kling AI in the comment section. So you download Kling AI on your Google Play Store or your App Store. Sign up for free, and this is the interface. What are you supposed to do? Number one, upload the baby image. Have you done that? Good. Number two, upload the dance video as motion reference. Can you see that now? Step number three, click generate. Period. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, your AI baby is already dancing. This is exactly how the viral ones are made. So the next thing you can do now is to take the generated video into CapCut or any other video editing app. So you lay any song or music you want, you lay it on it. Do you get that? So you synchronize the song with the beat with everything. Boom. Increase brightness slightly. Now pay attention. You need to keep the video short, between 6 to 12 seconds. You see that video you are downloading from maybe TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Facebook that you want to use as dance reference. Don't let it be more than 12 seconds. So between 6 to 12 seconds. Because the shorter the video, the more the replay, the more the reach, the higher the chance of the dance video going viral. Do you get that? So if you want more AI content ideas, viral AI video tutorials, ways to turn AI content into income, subscribe now to my channel. Turn on notifications. Drop a comment saying AI baby, and I will know you want more tutorials like this.